Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open.
Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Melissa and I'm so excited to have you here on my channel today. So in today's video, we're going to be tackling some much needed cleaning and a lot of deep cleaning in my home that's really been put off far too long. We're going to be deep cleaning my fridge. I'm going to take every single thing out of it, wipe it down, and get it back nice and clean and organized. And I'm going to be doing some simple things in the kitchen, like doing the dishes, cleaning the sink, wiping down the countertops, and that type stuff. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But let's get started cleaning, y'all. We have a lot to do.
Haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
So now I'm going to load the dishwasher with all this stuff in the sink, but it's always been a big goal of mine to clean the kitchen at night before I go to sleep. It just feels so much better to wake up to a clean kitchen and not have to worry about the mess. But I've definitely been slacking in that area lately. I don't know about you guys, but this is just a very busy time in our lives. There's just not enough time in the evenings, which has led to my kitchen being a little bit of a mess. But I'm really trying to get back in my routines to run the dishwasher at night and unload it in the mornings before I go to work, so our kitchen can stay a little more presentable.
Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey
After all those dishes have been sitting in the sink, it left it a little bit nasty there, so I'm going to give it a deep clean with some Barkeeper's Friend cleaner. This is the liquid one because the powder can leave a residue behind. So I'm just going to put it in there and use a little scrub or sponge and get it back to new. But I love using this stuff for deep cleaning. It does a really good job.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you
my candle. We're going to get started on the fridge. I'm going to pull out things in sections. While this looks sped up and looks like it happened pretty quickly, it does take a little while to deep clean the entire fridge, and I didn't want all of our food sitting out for a really long period of time. So first I'm going to work on the first 3 shelves and pull everything out and give them a really good cleaning and put this stuff back, and then we'll move on to a different section.
Can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question. Can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night. Without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer. Yeah, I just need you to. I just need you to. Stay a bit longer. I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question. Can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question. Can I get closer? Just for motivation.
So here to clean the glass on the bottom shelf, it's a really big pain to pull that thing out, but I had to take that whole shelf out, remove the glass. My husband came to help me do it, and then we're gonna get this all scrubbed and clean and put it back in the fridge.
A simple question. Can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question. Can I get closer? Just for motivation. Just for motivation. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special.
today, guys, I hope I was able to give you some motivation, and if so, please don't forget to leave a comment below. I would love talking to you down there, and consider subscribing to my channel because it really helps my channel, and I also get to know what you guys like to see on here too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here in the next few days. Bye!